We know how important a flawless face, voluminous hair, and glamorous outfit is for any bride. So we've put together some of the most common makeup mistakes and how to prevent them to make sure your special day is nothing short of perfect. Going in directly with your foundation can leave your pores feeling clogged, make your makeup melt off, and even cause a breakout the next morning when you're leaving for your honeymoon. So use a hydrating moisturizer to prime your skin first so your makeup looks natural, doesn't cake, and stays on longer. Chapped lips are a nightmare no bride wants to live through. So a few hours before you apply your lipstick, use a nourishing mix of honey and brown sugar to exfoliate the dead skin away. Then pamper your lips with the gentle care and long-lasting moisturization of a lip balm to get soft and smooth lips. Lastly, go in with a lip liner and a budge-proof matte lipstick so your pout looks perfect all day. Just like the rest of your face, it's equally important to cover the pigmentation on your eyelids using either an eyeshadow primer or concealer to create an even base. This will also help the shadow to stay on longer and any pigments to look more vibrant. A smoky eye is a classic choice for a girl's night out, but definitely not on your big day. It can make the eyes look sunken and give you a raccoon face by the end of the day. If you want a similar effect to accentuate the eyes, go for warm browns and golds instead. Wax products will absolutely not last in our humid weather, so give them a miss in your makeup routine so your eyes don't end up looking like a runny mess. Instead, use gel or liquid liners to achieve a sharp and smudge-proof winged liner. An overdose of highlighter isn't always a good thing. You'll probably end up looking like a greasy, shiny mess. Instead, use these pigmented products wisely in areas that naturally reflect light, such as cheekbones, the arch of the brow, bridge of the nose, chin, and as a puffing accent on the inner corner of the eyes. If you don't set your makeup in place with a good fixing spray, it's going to melt off in a few hours and any creasing or cakiness may also be very visible. Just a few spritzes of a finishing mist can increase the longevity of your makeup immensely. Now that you know how to avoid these simple makeup mishaps, nothing is going to stop you from looking your best as a beautiful bride. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.